Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a pizza shop. In this video, you will follow a simple and fun story about ordering pizza in English. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What size does Mina finally choose? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Hi there. Welcome to Sam's Pizza.
Hi, thank you.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. My friend told me about this place.
Oh, that's great to hear. I hope you like it here.
Thank you. It smells really good in here.
Thank you. So, what can I get for you today?
I'd like to order a pizza, please.
Sure thing. What kind of pizza would you like?
What kinds do you have?
We have a lot of choices on the menu. We have cheese pizza, pepperoni pizza, veggie pizza, meat lovers pizza, and Hawaiian pizza.
What is Hawaiian pizza?
Hawaiian pizza has ham and pineapple on it.
Pineapple on pizza? That's interesting.
Some people love it, and some people don't. It's sweet and salty at the same time.
Maybe next time. Today I want to try something simple.
Sure, the cheese pizza is very simple. It just has cheese and tomato sauce.
That does sound simple, but I want to try a few toppings too.
Oh, then you should build your own pizza. You can pick your own toppings.
Oh, really? I can choose my own toppings? That sounds fun.
Yes, a lot of our customers like doing that.
How does it work? Do I just tell you what I want?
Yes, it's easy. I'll ask you a few questions, and you just tell me what you like.
Okay, I'd like to build my own pizza then.
Great choice. Let's get started. First, let's pick the size. What size would you like?
What sizes do you have?
We have 3 sizes: small, medium, and large.
How big is each one?
A small is 8 inches. It's about this big.
I see.
A medium is 12 inches. It's a good size for sharing with one other person.
Okay.
And a large is 16 inches. It's great for a family or a group of friends.
16 inches? That's really big.
Yes, it is. How many people are you buying for today?
It's just for me.
Then a small is perfect for one person. It has 6 slices.
6 slices? That sounds like enough.
Yes, most people can finish a small by themselves.
And how many slices does a medium have?
A medium has 8 slices.
8 slices. And a large?
A large has 12 slices. It's a lot of pizza.
12 slices? That really is a lot. Actually, wait. Can I change my mind?
Of course, no rush.
Maybe I should get a medium. I can eat half today and save the rest for tomorrow.
That's a great idea. A lot of people do that. Pizza is good the next day, too.
But actually, no. Let me keep it simple. I'll go with a small.
No problem at all. Small it is.
Sorry for changing my mind like that.
Don't worry about it. It happens all the time. Okay, next question. What kind of crust would you like?
Crust? What do you mean?
The crust is the bottom part of the pizza. It's the bread part.
Oh, I didn't know you could choose the crust. What kinds do you have?
We have 3 kinds: thin crust, thick crust, and stuffed crust.
I see. Which one is the most popular?
Thin crust is very popular, but stuffed crust is our most popular choice.
What's the difference between thin and thick?
Thin crust is crispy. It makes a crunchy sound when you bite it. Thick crust is soft and chewy, like bread.
I see. And what about stuffed crust? What is that?
Stuffed crust is special. It has cheese inside the crust, so when you eat the edge of the pizza, you get melted cheese.
Cheese inside the crust? Wow, that sounds amazing.
It is. The cheese gets really melted and gooey inside.
Gooey? What does gooey mean?
Gooey means soft and sticky, like melted cheese or warm chocolate.
Oh, I love that. That sounds so good.
It's one of our most popular choices.
Is it more expensive?
Stuffed crust is just $1 extra.
Only $1 more? That's a good price.
Yes, it is, and it's really worth it.
Okay, I'll take stuffed crust, please. I've never tried it before, so I'm excited.
I think you'll love it. Great choice. All right, now let's talk about toppings. What would you like on your pizza?
What toppings do you have?
We have a lot. For meat, we have pepperoni, sausage, ham, bacon, and chicken.
Okay, and for vegetables?
For vegetables, we have mushrooms, onions, green peppers, black olives, tomatoes, and spinach.
Wow, that's a lot of choices. How many toppings can I pick?
You can pick up to 4 toppings. Each topping is free with your pizza.
Oh, 4 toppings are included? That's really nice.
Yes, if you want more than 4, it's 50 cents for each extra topping.
I see. What topping do you like the most?
Me? I like pepperoni the best. It's a little spicy and very tasty.
Oh, what is pepperoni exactly?
Pepperoni is a kind of sausage. It's thin and round and red. It gets crispy on top of the pizza.
That sounds good. Okay, I'd like pepperoni and mushrooms, please.
Pepperoni and mushrooms. Good choices. Anything else?
Let me think. Do you put onions on the pizza?
We can put onions on it if you want. Would you like onions?
Actually, no onions, please. I don't really like the taste of onions.
No problem at all. No onions.
And one more thing. Can I get extra cheese?
Of course. Extra cheese is 50 cents more. Is that okay?
That's fine. I love cheese. You can never have too much cheese.
I agree with you on that. Okay, let me repeat your toppings.
Yes, please.
Pepperoni, mushrooms, no onions, and extra cheese. Did I get that right?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you.
Great. Your pizza is going to be delicious. One more question. Is this for here or to go?
I'm sorry, can you say that again?
Sure. For here means you eat inside the restaurant. To go means you take the food home with you.
Oh, I understand now. Thank you for explaining. To go, please. I want to eat at home tonight.
No problem. We'll put your pizza in a nice box for you.
Thank you. How long will it take to make my pizza?
It'll be ready in about 15 minutes.
15 minutes? Okay, that's not too long.
No, it's pretty quick. We make everything fresh, so it takes a little time.
Fresh is best. I don't mind waiting.
While you wait, would you like something to drink?
Oh, what do you have?
We have soda, juice, iced tea, and water.
How much is a soda?
A soda is $2.
I think I'm okay for now, but thank you for asking.
No problem. You can wait right over there. There are some chairs by the window.
Oh, I see them. That looks like a nice spot. Thank you.
Also, we have free water over there on the table if you're thirsty.
Oh, that's very kind. Thank you.
I'll call your name when your pizza is ready. What is your name?
My name is Mina.
Mina. That's a nice name. Got it. I'll let you know when it's done.
Thank you. Oh, one more question. Do you have a restroom here?
Yes, the restroom is in the back. Go straight and turn left.
Go straight and turn left. Got it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Take your time.
Sounds good. Thank you so much.
Excuse me, Mina?
Yes?
I'm sorry to bother you. I just want to check your order one more time before we put it in the oven.
Oh, of course. No problem.
Okay, so you ordered a small pizza with stuffed crust,
Yes, that's right.
and the toppings are pepperoni and onions, right?
Oh, wait. Not onions. I said no onions, please. I asked for mushrooms, not onions.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. I must have written it down wrong. Let me fix that right away.
That's okay. No worries. I'm glad you checked before making it.
Me too. So let me say it again. Pepperoni, mushrooms, no onions, and extra cheese. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right. Pepperoni, mushrooms, no onions, and extra cheese.
Got it. I'll write it down carefully this time.
Thank you. I really appreciate you checking with me.
Of course. I want to make sure you get exactly what you ordered.
That's very kind of you. Mistakes happen, so don't worry about it.
Thank you for being so understanding. It'll be just a few more minutes now.
That's fine. Can I ask you something while I wait?
Sure. What's your question?
How do you keep the pizza hot if I'm taking it home?
The pizza box keeps it warm for a while. If you eat it within 30 minutes, it should still be hot.
Good. My home is only 10 minutes away.
Oh, that's close. Then your pizza will still be nice and hot when you get home.
Perfect. That makes me happy. No rush. I want it to be good.
It will be, I promise.
Mina, your pizza is ready.
Oh, great. That was fast. Thank you.
Here you go. One small stuffed crust pizza with pepperoni, mushrooms, extra cheese, and no onions.
Perfect. That sounds exactly right. Thank you for double-checking earlier.
Of course, I wanted to make sure everything was correct this time.
It smells so good. I can't wait to eat it.
I'm glad. Okay, so your total today is $10.50.
$10.50. Okay, can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, of course. We take credit cards, debit cards, and cash.
Great. I'll pay with my card. Here you go.
Thank you. Just tap your card right here on the machine.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Okay, the payment went through. You're all set.
Great. Can I get a receipt, please?
Sure. Here's your receipt. Would you like a bag for your pizza box?
Yes, please. That would be helpful.
Here you go. And would you like some napkins?
Oh, yes, please. A few napkins would be great.
Here are some napkins for you. And we also have red pepper flakes and Parmesan cheese over there on the counter. Would you like some?
What are red pepper flakes?
They're small pieces of dried red pepper. You put them on top of your pizza to make it spicy.
Oh, I see. I don't like spicy food very much, so no thank you on the red pepper.
That's okay. What about the Parmesan cheese?
What does Parmesan cheese taste like?
It's a dry, salty cheese. It adds a nice flavor to pizza. A lot of people like it.
Sure. I'll try a little bit. Can I have a small packet?
Of course. Here you go. 1 packet of Parmesan.
Thank you. You've been so kind and helpful today.
It was my pleasure. I hope you enjoy your pizza tonight.
I'm sure I will. I'm going to eat it as soon as I get home.
That's the best way to eat pizza, while it's still hot.
I agree. Well, thank you again for everything.
You're welcome. Please come back again anytime.
I will. I want to try a different pizza next time, maybe the Hawaiian one.
That's a good choice. The pineapple and ham go really well together.
I'm a little nervous about pineapple on pizza, but I'll try it.
I think you'll be surprised. Most people like it when they try it.
Okay, I'll trust you on that. Thank you again. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Mina. Have a great evening. Enjoy your pizza.
I will. Bye.
Bye-bye. See you next time.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What size does Mina finally choose? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share slow and easy English conversations with useful phrases for daily situations. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.